What's up, everyone? It is Jason Jani. Welcome back to my channel. It's great to have you here. And in this video, I'm going to share with you my thoughts on why every DJ should actively play dinner service at a private event. So if you're a working DJ, you're a mobile DJ, you're a DJ that is just looking to get started in the private event space, this video is for you. And before I get into kind of my thoughts and perspective and things that I've shared with my crew at SCE for years, I'd like to take this quick opportunity to invite you to jump on board, support me and this channel with some sub love down below. It would mean the world to me. And if you already have jumped on board and already are supporting me and this channel, I just want to say thank you. If you've done that, if you enjoy this video or any of the videos on this channel and you have not supported me or subscribed to this channel, it would mean everything if you consider joining me here. On this channel, I share tips, tricks, perspective, thoughts, and real deal situations that I've encountered as a working DJ and as a business owner in the event industry for over 10 years. My business, the SCE Event Group, has done things that I never imagined even possible. And resources like this never existed when I was coming up. And that's why I'm sharing stuff here on the platform YouTube so that I can push it forward and help different people in different places. And if you feel me and feel that, you could either sub, you could give me a thumbs up, or you could leave a comment if you agree or disagree to anything that I'm about to say. Let's face it, dinner is an incredibly important part of every single private event, especially in the wedding celebration space. If you're doing wedding celebrations, wedding reception, entertainment, you've probably already understand that they're a lot of work and they're complex events in a lot of different ways. You're dealing with universes of people that don't normally hang out together, that vary in age, demographic, social status, and even what they like and don't like. So I like to use the dinner segment of every single wedding to position the room for what's to come. I've been preaching this to our crew at SCE for well over 10 years, and it's something that we take to heart and implement every time we do a wedding. Now, I've been a guest at weddings, like my cousin's wedding, for instance, where the DJ just essentially put on a playlist of Kenny G's greatest tunes, sat down and ate his dinner, and then came back when that long list of music was over, and it turned out to be a great wedding. But I think he could have been so much more effective if he actively played the room, touching on songs that connect with the crowd. So I want to share with you some of my favorite tracks to drop during dinner, and I'm doing this in hopes of helping you get creative with your dinner sets. Now, obviously, music in different areas all varies. There's going to be areas where maybe country is a little bit more hot than pop stuff, or maybe hip hop or R&B might connect better than acoustic gems. But I want to give you a handful of tracks that you can consider throwing into a folder and using to influence the room and set the room up for success when you peel out of that dinner segment of the celebration that you are part of in the future. So I want to run through a couple of favorite songs that I like to play, and these are not in any mixable particular order, but I think they lend to setting up the framework. And on a lot of different platforms, you can find redrums of some of these things, and you can find some really cool creative ways to develop your own little sets or own little routines with some of this music. And that's what I'm talking about here. So let me give you a couple things to think through. If you're into rock, I love playing songs like Wonderwall by Oasis. Another one is Don't Look Back with Anger. Or you can go with Goo Goo Dolls, a song like Iris. This connects to the fabric of a lot of couples that are in their mid to late 20s or early 30s. If you are now trying to target the older guests that are in the room, consider playing songs like Total Eclipse of the Heart by Bonnie Taylor. Here's a super pro bonus tip if you're looking to connect with older guests that are attending events that you are DJing in the future. Now, there are older guests that connect with current music and modern music, but if you really want to strike where it's hot, think about the approximate age of where these guests are in life. Now, if they're 55 or 60 or 50 or 45 or whatever, and now do some math and reverse engineering and try to rewind time and select music that maybe fell in the decade of them maybe exiting grammar school and completing college. That's a great kind of time frame, probably somewhere in the area of 12 to 22 years of age. Music is really, really influential, and it has a lot of influence on people's tastes during those formative years. It's scientifically proven. Yes, it really is a whole thing. And shout out to Digital Dave, because he's kind of brought this science and research to the surface for a lot of people. And he actually spoke about this at the DJ Collective, and it is so spot on. But if you're looking to connect with older guests, just rewind time. Think of songs or artists or things that were super, super, super popular when they were in high school approximately, and try to infuse anything that will fit this event dynamic in a positive way. Doing so may pay incredible dividends as you get out of dinner and get the party starter. Some other songs that I think connect really well, something more modern, Shallow by Lady Gaga and Bradley Cooper. It's really cool when you get the whole room kind of singing the chorus on that big crescendo part. Another boy band favorite, I Want It That Way by Backstreet Boys. Connect incredibly well to couples that are getting married who, when they were a young child growing up, they knew those words. I think that song is a gem to play during dinner because it could get people dancing, but the point of playing a song like that is to get people singing, get the conversations turning, and get them bopping at their tables. If you're rocking in a room that loves country, consider playing songs by Taylor Swift, or maybe some redone acoustic edits of songs like The Gambler by Kenny Rogers, or even Country Roads. Maybe not by John Denver, maybe by someone like Matt Koziel, an incredibly talented acoustic artist who's also a friend of mine and the SCE event group. Now, if you have a more hip or urban crowd, I like to play stuff like Next, Too Close, or Next, Wifey. If you want to do some anthems for the girls to get the girls singing, think of songs like It's All Coming Back to Me Now by Celine Dion. These songs connect in different ways to different people, but it is super important that you play some of this stuff to generate energy at the tables and create anticipation for what is to come. Here's another tip. If you're dealing with a pretty hip couple that's looking to keep it trendy and cool and different during these down, non-dancing times of the overall celebration, outside of acoustic stuff and things that you can hear on Spotify, you might want to check out chill out collections or lounge edits that are cool songs. Could be hip hop, could be R&B, could be rock, but remixed into a cool, almost like trap house or R&B kind of feel that give you the ability to really tailor your sets into a creative space that are appropriate for the vibe, but also connect to a lot more people. I can go on and on and on about some of my favorite songs that I like to play during dinner, but the point of this is to keep the party rocking and keep the party moving, even if there's not dancing. I think that one tip, if you put that into play and you put that out there into the space that you're working, it will set you up for success when you peel out of dinner. Now, every dinner is not going to be a kind of groovy mix of sing-along songs. You might have to play the Sinatra stuff that's not going to be mixed. You might have to play songs that might not be things that everyone connects to. But the point is to maybe play those in the beginning of the set and then to progress into these sing-along family favorites, maybe find some redrum edits of these songs, and then use your own style, your own creativity, and the playlist information that that couple has given to you to get really funky, really loose with it, and to basically alley-oop the second part of your celebration when you open up that dance floor to get the party started. Dinners at weddings are always overlooked. They're always overlooked by so many different people. And after watching this video, I hope that you will consider actively playing and actively mixing dinner so that you create an experience that is very different than what most people are doing in this industry. I want to give you two more quick resources to look through or to consider if you are looking to take your dinner or down-tempo sets to the next level. I love to use Spotify. Spotify, to me, is a gold mine. There is so much content on Spotify, and I'm going to provide you a link in the description field down below of one of my favorite acoustic feels playlists that I've actually put together and lean on from time to time, especially when I'm looking for inspiration when designing dinner sets or cocktail hour experiences. is. Now, I'm sharing this with you so you can get an idea of some of the varied content that I've used in my own events, at my own shows, and the own things that I'm doing for the people that trust me with their events, and I hope it helps you. Spotify is such a powerful resource, and you can kind of dig down into a rabbit hole looking for cool edits, different edits, remix edits, acoustic edits of a lot of different content. And I think Spotify is such a powerful resource that if you're not using, you really need to consider using. The second resource that I want to give you really, really quick is Crate Hackers. Now, Crate Hackers is a membership website where DJs essentially share playlists, and there is a community that curates these lists and posts them all the time. Now, I have a VIP experience on Crate Hackers platform where I've actually shared my front to back play in order dinner sets along with many other playlists, after party playlists, stuff that I've done from real events, stuff that I've curated, produced, my mix shows. So many different sets are up there. And if you're not a member of Crate Hackers, I'd like to invite you to check out the link in the description field down below, because it's a Jani backdoor. You can get the hookup, the Jani exclusive VIP, get into the platform when they're not allowing people to join, right here on this video in the description. Crate Hackers is a tremendous web resource that can help any DJ take their programming, their sets, and the things that they are organizing before they get on site to an event to a whole nother level. It gives you things to look at, things to consider, and can really help bolster and improve all the things that you do for all the people that trust you with their events. Now, my name is Jason Jani, and I'd love to hear from you. What are 1, 2, or 3 of your favorite songs that you like to drop at dinner? I'd love to hear from you. Throw it in the comments down below. Let's make this video a video that helps DJs all over this platform if they get to see it. I appreciate you checking out this video, and be on the lookout for more videos dropping right here on this channel. And by the way, I've got another really cool video right over here that I think you would really enjoy. Just hit this video right here and check out what it's all about, because I think it will help you if you are looking to excel in the private event space. Thanks for watching.